Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker Parmesan chicken and pasta. Alright, I'm starting out on my pressure cooker. I have it set on saute and it's hot. Now I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. And just move that around in there quick to get it spread around. I have 2 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I sliced into thin strips. I'm going to get them all in here and get them nice and browned up in that butter, and that'll give them a really good flavor. Right, now that my chicken's all nice and browned up, I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm just going to get her all squeezed in there. I might have to add a little water. I'm going to have to wait and see after I get the pasta in. Alright, now I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of onion powder. I'm going to add in 4 teaspoons of pre-diced garlic. If you use fresh garlic, use about 3 cloves. I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of pepper. And about a teaspoon of salt. Give that a stir. Now I'm going to add in a pound of penny pasta. And I shouldn't have got rid of my spoon. Let me grab another spoon. Yeah, we don't need to add any water. That looks good. Now I have a can of cream of chicken soup. This is 10.5 ounces. Let me grab another spoon. I'm just going to dump this over top of the pasta. Smooth that out a little bit. Alright, I'm going to put my lid on here. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, my time's up. I just did that quick release of the pressure. Let me get in here and give this a stir. Now you can see that pasta drank up all that liquid. Guys, I love pressure cooker pasta meals because they're so easy and they're so delicious, so you don't have to worry about a colander and a pot for your pasta boil and all that. Alright, now to this I'm going to add in, we're really going to get this decadent, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter that I pre-melted. I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and I have 2 packs, so I have to use one up, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in. And when you add your mozzarella cheese in, it looks like you're putting more in than you are because it's fluffed up, because it's shredded and all fluffed up in there. And I'm going to add in a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And this is a new container. Let me open it up. Alright, now I'm going to give this a stir. It's going to be cheesy, guys. Now lastly, I'm going to add some fresh parsley in that I diced up. Get all that in there. Guys, a little tip on your parsley is if you don't use it all up, dice it up and let it sit out on a plate overnight. It'll dry, and put it in a little container, and you'll have parsley for as long as you need it. And you just want to stir this till your cheese is well incorporated in your parsley. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Let me get in here and give this a try, guys. Pasta's tender. That's really cheesy. The chicken broth and the cheese soaked into the pasta. Try some chicken. Chicken's tender. Delicious. Guys, that was really easy and it's really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker, Parmesan, chicken, and pasta. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.